Attention entrepreneurs, if you are looking for something that will help you stay organized for your quarterly estimated taxes as well as tax time, stay tuned because I have a freebie just for you. Hi, my name is Adrina. I am the owner and accountant here at Accounting by Adrina. And in this video, I will walk you through how I use my freebie. It's called Be Organized, and it's for the self-employed individual. And this is probably good if you are in your first few years of business. This is going to be super helpful for you. It's going to keep everything all in one place. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how I use it. Go ahead and access it using the link below in the description box. And if you have any questions, make sure to put them down below as we do monitor those. And I love creating follow-up videos for the questions that you do ask. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like so that you are aware of brand new YouTube videos coming out just for you. All right, let's dive in. So this is the free download that you get. And I just went ahead and printed it out, and I'll show you some pictures of close-ups. And basically how I use this is I make sure that I keep this handy. So usually I have it within hand's reach of it. And this will help keep track of everything when it comes to your income by month. And it's going to help you keep track of all of your expenses. Generally speaking, when it comes to expenses, I like to keep things organized. Most expenses are on like a monthly basis or quarterly basis. And so it's easy to just list the vendor here and the description, like what it's for, as well as the frequency. So the frequency would be like a monthly expense or a quarterly expense, and then the due date. So you always want to keep track of the due date because you want to make sure that you have enough cash in the bank in order to pay for those expenses. Just a little side tip for you guys. So when it comes to your total income, you want to make sure that you write your total income, not just income minus expenses. So you write all of your income in this section here, and then you write your expenses, the frequency, and their due date. Now, in this bottom quadrant, so the part that says extras, I like to make sure that there's extra space in case you need it to track anything else that is pertinent to your business, but not actually like involved with like income or expenses. Maybe you write down someone's phone number here that you need to call on a frequent basis, like your tax accountant or your CPA. Maybe you put your lawyer's phone number here or their email address. But basically, you keep anything else that is pertinent to your business in this quadrant here, and it's divided into sections. That's just how I like to organize things. I like to have a place for everything. That's exactly what keeps me the most organized. Now, when it comes to your estimated tax payments, you want to make sure that you're calculating it by month. So we have each of the months listed here in this section, and you will also be able to track when the payment is due by using this quadrant here. Now, if you have the downloadable PDF, I put a link down here for you to go ahead and access all of the instructions that the IRS provides when it comes to your quarterly estimated tax payments. So make sure that you do save the PDF because there are hidden links in here. And this is really just for your convenience. If you have any questions on how you need to be calculating your quarterly estimated tax payments, that's where you're going to go because that's going to be the most helpful for you. Now, the second page is going to be super simple and straightforward. You put this in your car and you track every mileage that you drive for your business because the IRS is going to want to know about this when it comes time for your tax filing. So this is an easy, straightforward way that you can send into your tax accountant, your CPA, when they're filing your tax return. You will list the date of your like the outing. Let's say you're a photographer and you drive for your business. So you are going to be like constantly like filling this in because that's basically what you're doing for your business. You're driving from X place to X place so you can photograph all of your customers and clients. So you put the date, the purpose, and you want to put the total miles. You could put the odometer start and stop if you want to do it that way. You can put total miles. What I like to do actually is have a printout of the directions from my home to the place. For example, like I use Google Maps for this. I just print it out so I have the exact total miles, and that would substantiate this page here. And it's just a way to keep track of everything and make sure that everything is matchy because that is really what we're trying to do, is have a story to tell with our finances. That is what it's all about. Now, if you guys have any questions, don't forget to put them down in the comments below. And I'm so excited to help you get organized with your quarterly estimated tax payments. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.